If you're young, ambitious, and tired of being broke, this video is for you. Here's the truth no one tells you. Society doesn't want you rich. It wants you comfortable. Average salary, maybe one holiday a year, if you're lucky. And the moment you want more, they call you greedy. But let me tell you something. The real greed is a system that keeps you stuck while others live in freedom. I knew early on I didn't want an average life. So, in my early 20s, I walked away from the safe path. A few years later, I became a millionaire, which means I understand one thing very clearly. Wealth isn't luck, it's a process. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 stages to getting rich while you're still young. Let's get into it. Stage 1. Drifting. Start dropshipping. No, crypto is better. Try trading. Everyone is shouting different advice. And that's the problem. Too many options, so you do nothing. And when you don't choose, life chooses for you. And trust me, life doesn't choose wealth. Drifters live like this. They move from one job to another, one idea to the next, hoping something magically works. But hope isn't a strategy. There's a saying, if you don't build your dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. That's exactly what happens here. Be honest with yourself. Are you drifting? Because drifters don't get rich. They stay stuck. That brings us to Stage 2. Obsession. Everything changes with one decision. Just one. You decide, I'm done being average. And from that moment, you become obsessed. Now listen carefully. If that word made you uncomfortable, that's your problem. Because money gives you freedom, and freedom gives you control over your life. There's nothing wrong with wanting that. But here's where most people lie to themselves. They say, I want to be rich, but also want to learn guitar, run a marathon, travel, start 5 side hustles. That's not ambition, that's distraction. Becoming rich is hard, so why are you making it harder? You need focus. One goal, one direction. Obsession isn't optional, it's required, but obsession alone isn't enough. You need a way to make money. That brings us to Stage 3. Discovery. You don't get paid for time, you get paid for value. And right now, you don't earn much because you don't offer much. Most people think they need a genius idea. They don't. You just need to find something that already works and copy the blueprint. Simple. Find someone ahead of you. Study them. Do what they did. Skills like video editing, content creation, selling, online marketing. These are real. They make money. Let me give you a quick story. When I wanted to start a business, I didn't guess. I worked inside one. I watched everything. Customers, sales, mistakes. I learned the system before I played the game. That's the shortcut, not guessing, but following a proven path. Once you find that path, you move to the next stage. Stage 4. Acceleration. Now you take action. No overthinking, no waiting. You start. Will you be good at first? No. You'll probably be terrible, and that's fine, because every expert was once a beginner. If you're offering a service, do it for free at first. Gain experience. If you're selling, launch something simple. But here's the mistake people make. They think they're better than they are. Why? Because their feedback comes from friends and family. That's useless. They won't tell you the truth. You need real feedback from people who know what they're doing. That's how you improve fast. Now here's something no one talks about. This stage gets lonely. You'll outgrow people. Your friends won't understand you, and you won't yet belong with successful people. You're in between, alone. Most people quit here. They go back to comfort, back to average. Don't, because this is where winners are made. Keep going. Stage 5. Freedom. This is where everything changes. Your skills start paying off. Money comes in. Opportunities open. You can work from anywhere. Buy what you want. Live on your terms. But now you face a new decision. Do you spend everything or build real wealth? Because being rich and being wealthy are not the same. Rich people earn money. Wealthy people grow it. Most people fail here. They buy cars, clothes, status. But smart people, they reinvest into skills, businesses, assets. Because here's the truth, the best investment is you. Every dollar you waste today, you're stealing from your future. Poor people spend to impress others. Wealthy people invest to grow. So even when you make money, keep learning, keep building, keep leveling up. Because freedom isn't the end, it's just the beginning. If you want to learn how to actually build real wealth from zero, watch the next video, but don't click it yet. Subscribe first. If you're serious about escaping average, I'll see you there.